Okay, we've jetted just about to the manhole. Due to the 45 offsets near the end, we weren't able to get quite all the way down. This is going to be a final video. We will go ahead and locate the Y and the two cleanouts as we pull the camera back. Again, this is through the cleanout on 258. You can see this is the 4-inch cast iron. And you can see here's where we changed to the 6-inch clay. You can see we've cleaned up the root infiltration. This sewer does run towards the north. You'll see we turn here. This picks up. This goes all the way to a manhole located in the road. We basically did a flush of the entire sewer. And you can see here, the sewer does hold some water, but it's not above our centering guide. We believe this is a clean out in the sidewalk at 41.9. Again, we will locate all these as we pull back. Okay, here you can see at about 80 feet 9 we have a Y at 9 o'clock. Again, we're going to locate everything when we pull back. We are making notes of the... As you can see, sometimes our centering guide gets caught up in the joints. It's just what we call a set of fingers, so sometimes it gets hung up. As you can see, the water level, though, is never above our camera as we're going downstream. Okay, as you can see, we're about 208 feet to the manhole. We will go ahead and pause to locate the Y's and the T's as we pull back, but this will be our final recording for 258. Okay, here you can see this was something that we couldn't see before we did the jetting. We will locate this area to see if they possibly want to do a repair. Okay, we have located this area. We've put a yellow paint mark. It's on the sidewalk. It's down approximately 4'2". We're going to continue to pull back to the Y in the 12 o'clock position, which we believe is another clean out, though we can't see it. We're going to attempt to locate it, and then we have a Y and another clean out, which we believe is right next to the sidewalk in PVC. As you can see, the line is completely clean. As you can see, as we're pulling back, it doesn't appear to be holding as much water as when you push the camera forward, because you're pushing the water up in front of you. Okay, this is on the west side of the sidewalk. This is south of the first building, right there, that faces the street where the piece is cracked in the sidewalk. This is not above grade. We did put a flag there to mark it. We are going to continue to pull back. Again, we're going to also locate the Y in the 9 o'clock, which we believe is going to be for unit 256. You should see that coming up here shortly. Again, you can see we do have some water that holds in the pipe. Okay, here's our Y. We're going to locate this. Okay, this is right at the edge of the sidewalk. It is for unit 256. It's just about in a straight line from the clean out. The clean outs are cast iron blind plugs. You can see it sticking up in the grade. We've got one more location to make, and it's going to be what we believe is a PVC clean out that's right on the edge of the sidewalk. It is exposed. Okay, and you can see that right here. That's basically what we call a hammer tap. It was basically a pipe that it looks like it was hammered in. That doesn't look like it was Y, or it was possibly core drilled and then put in, but we will locate. Okay, this is the tap. This is exposed for It's on the side of the sidewalk. This is a 4-inch PVC. Just need to remember that if this is being used, it drops down into a 6-inch clay pipe, so it's non-directional. So you have to make sure which direction you're going, whether it's upstream or downstream with any cleaning equipment. And then at this point we are going to go ahead and pull back. Those were all the areas that we needed to locate. Here you can see we are turning up. This line does continue to go down all the way to the very end unit. But those units were clear at the time this video work was done. And again, you can see there's our transition, and that is clear at this time as well. This concludes our video for Unit 258.